Camel toe, a term describing when your clothes is getting all hugged up on your lady bits. As we became more body image positive as a society, camel toe remained as a fashion faux pas. It might not be a look for everyone, but it's not something that you need to look down on. Pun intended, like all the time. Today I'm gonna show you how to sport a camel toe. Cause your vajayjay is beautiful, it's part of you, and you can show off that curve whenever you like. Fashion has three sides: the wrong, the right, and this is the left side of fashion. Hello everyone, Bunny here, showing you how to sport a camel toe, as I would like to call it, a cleavage. First, clothing selection. When showing off your undercurve, you want to avoid chafing. So pick the clothes that are soft, not too thick, and stay away from garments that has way too many seams around the golden triangle. I will also stay away from polyesters or synthetic man-made materials. When it comes to clothes that's gonna get so intimate with your hoo-has, you wanna be as cotton as possible, because natural fiber breathes better. Just like any of your other body parts, your lady bits sweat. So ventilation is importante. I say that in Spanish because that's just how important it is. Also, I've been trying to learn Spanish. Okay, so there are 3 levels of cleavage depending on how much undercurve you want to show off. First, the peekaboo. Choose darker color clothing like denim jeans that are just a bit too tight, so your cleavage can come and go, not too obvious, but oh, it's there. Second, the buoyant. Pick clothes that are just a bit tight, a bit thin, a bit stretchy, that lets you sport a subtle cleavage all throughout the day. Third, the adventurous. Pick light color leggings that hugs you up and down, cause you know what you got. One more bonus level, the full diva. That's when you say get to the panties, go commando, and show off all your curves. This is Bunny, keeping you up with the pressing issue in fashion that matters most to me. I'm hungry.